Hi, I'm Greg Ragland, and you're watching this video because you noted that English is your second language. As I mentioned in my email, this gives you an advantage over most native English speakers when it comes to studying vocabulary. Now I know that might seem counterintuitive, but when you take a look at a very interesting statistic, you'll begin to understand why. Now, this is an absolutely fascinating stat. The average adult out of school only learns 20 new words a year. That's it, only 20 new words a year. But that's native English speakers. Since English is your second language, you're likely learning more than that, which gives you an advantage. The reason why is because your brain is still wired for learning English. Listen, when we were younger and our brains were still developing, we learned thousands of new words a year in our native language. But as we grew older, our curiosity for learning words waned, and we went from learning thousands of new words a year to only 20. Since English is your second language, you still have some curiosity for vocabulary, which gives you an advantage over native speakers. Nonetheless, as discussed in the first Vocabulary Zone video, we've determined that you will need to master approximately 1,000 new power words in order to have a top 1% vocabulary. Look, as I just noted, the average adult only learns 20 new words a year. Since English is your second language, you're probably learning double that, 40 words a year. But even with that larger number, it will still take you 25 years to develop a top 1% vocabulary. The good news for you is that Vocabulary Zone is designed to expedite this process, so you'll master 1,000 new power words in a matter of months, not years. So pay close attention, as I'm about to show you exactly how we'll help you get there during this brief presentation.
Our goal is to teach you how to communicate with the top 1% vocabulary. We have determined that this will require you to add 1,000 power words to your active vocabulary. The problem is that native English speakers, on average, only learn 20 new words a year, while ESL speakers learn 40 new words a year. At this rate, it will take most ESL speakers 25 years to build the top 1% vocabulary. And shockingly, it will take most native English speakers 50 years to build a top 1% vocabulary. So we designed Vocabulary Zone to expedite this process. You see, Vocabulary Zone is structured like a graduate college course, meaning it will require about 3 to 5 hours of study a week for 3 to 5 months. And although the training is structured like a college course, it's much, much easier to fit into your daily routine. You see, Vocabulary Zone includes audio lessons with supplemental digital training and tests. And these audio lessons make it easy for you to incorporate our training into your daily regimen. Because unlike a college course, you don't have to be in a classroom or in front of your computer to learn. You can listen during your commute, while working out, during chores, or simply drifting off to sleep at night. So let me ask you a question. How much money would you be willing to invest to learn to speak with the vocabulary of the top 1%? I have to imagine you'd be willing to invest a significant sum of money, especially to expedite this process, which can take decades to accomplish. But before you think of a number, let's take a look at what you get with Vocabulary Zone. Vocabulary Zone, as I mentioned earlier, is structured the same way as a graduate school or MBA course. And with Vocabulary Zone, you will master 1,198 words that the top 1% actively use to communicate at a higher level. This graduate level course includes 300 audio lessons, 50 carefully curated sections, 50 audio quizzes, and 50 interactive computer tests. The average cost for a graduate school course of this caliber is $4,191. Now, in addition to the Vocabulary Zone course, you will also get several bonuses, starting with our detailed workbook in our advanced learning app. Our 782-page supplemental workbook is like a dictionary on steroids. For each word, we provide you with learning tips, unique memory tricks, and between 4 to 7 contemporary real-to-life usage examples. Our flashcard app utilizes the latest advancements in adult learning to help you home in on any trouble words. With these 2 supplemental tools, you are guaranteed to fully master and assimilate every word in the program, meaning you are guaranteed to move 1,000 power words from your passive vocabulary into your active vocabulary so you learn to communicate with the top 1% vocabulary. Now, you can only get these tools with Vocabulary Zone, which are both valued at over $100. Bonus 2, our vocabulary certification. When you successfully complete the Vocabulary Zone program, you will earn one of 3 certifications: our college level vocabulary certification for college students or students preparing for college, our PhD level vocabulary certification for graduate students or students preparing for graduate school, and our most popular is the executive vocabulary certification. This flagship certification is posted on our blockchain registry and can be listed on your resume and your LinkedIn account. This will broadcast to your future employers, clients, and peers your dedication to communicating at the highest level of success. This advanced blockchain technology certification is valued at $300. Bonus 3, when you invest in Vocabulary Zone, you will also get access to a bonus course, Grammar Zone. In addition to having a strong vocabulary, most successful people also have impeccable grammar. In order to communicate and interact with successful people, it's imperative that you have good grammar, and more importantly, that you don't slip by making one of many common grammatical errors. If the person you're trying to impress or do business with is a stickler for proper grammar, you could quickly sabotage the relationship with just a single grammatical error. With Grammar Zone, you will learn proper grammar and common grammatical errors to avoid, which means you are more likely to make a positive impression with everyone you meet. Grammar Zone has 4 core sections: spelling mistakes to avoid, usage mistakes to avoid, grammar mistakes to avoid, and punctuation mistakes to avoid. The Grammar Zone course is valued at $500. Now, when you sign up for Vocabulary Zone, you will also receive a 7-day communication training and coaching course. In this intensive training, you will learn a system for finding the perfect word when writing, how to think fast and sound smart during impromptu public speaking, new habits that accelerate your learning and development, and a reading hack that will empower you to read an average of 1 to 2 books a week. And I know that seems far-fetched and hard to believe, but it's true. When you complete Vocabulary Zone and this communication coaching course, you will have the skills and understand a reading hack that will empower you to read 1 to 2 books a week. You'll also learn neuro-linguistic programming, NLP techniques for developing rapport and improving your communication skills. You can only get this communication training with Vocabulary Zone, which is valued at over $100. When you complete the Vocabulary Zone program, you will experience 3 major transformations around learning, thinking, and communicating. Now, I want you to mull that over for a second. Do you believe that you would benefit if you became a better learner, thinker, and communicator? Of course you would. And you will hone all 3 of these transformational skills when you complete the Vocabulary Zone course. You will also find that you have more confidence and poise when speaking in front of others. And you will command more respect and garner more recognition from your peers. Now, these intangible benefits of better learning, thinking, and communicating, along with more confidence, respect, recognition, and acknowledgement, are priceless. But in speaking with top executives, we learned that they'd be willing to invest a minimum of $1,000 in coaching and training to hone these valuable skills. All right, let's take a look at everything you'll get with the complete Vocabulary Zone learning system, starting with our graduate level MBA course, Vocabulary Zone, valued at $4,191, as well as our detailed supplemental workbook and our advanced learning app valued at over $100, and our certification with our flagship executive vocabulary certification valued at $300, Grammar Zone valued at $500, and our communication and coaching and training course valued at $100, and all of the intangible benefits that I just mentioned, like more confidence, more acknowledgement, more respect, better learning, thinking, and communicating, all valued at a minimum of $1,000 for a total of $6,191 in value. Now, if you visit our site, you know that you can invest in the complete Vocabulary Zone learning system and 5 bonuses for only $797. But as a special offer for watching this video, you will get a steep discount. And you will also get our 1-year money-back guarantee. Now, you should have received an email with your discount, so check that now. And remember that Vocabulary Zone is the absolute fastest and easiest way to move 1,000 vocabulary power words from your passive vocabulary into your active vocabulary. So check your email now to take advantage of our steep discount, and be sure to enroll in our course before the sale ends, and or worse, before your competition does. So I thank you for your time. I thank you for watching this presentation. Greg Ragland here, signing off.